Hi, good morning. Just want to show you what's the blue clips that comes with Dometic refrigerator for. When I bought my new travel trailer, I got two of this blue clips, and it has one of them has the like a tab knot, and there were no instructions on how to use it, but basically uh, these tools are used to prop the refrigerator doors open, probably for about an inch and a half. Mainly when you park and you're not using your refrigerator, the mold doesn't get built up in your refrigerator. So I try to look around to see if there's any resource on the web or anything to show me how to do it, but there's a lot of description, but there's no real way how to do it. But I finally figured out for the newer Dometic refrigerator. Basically, there's a clip that you push to open the door, and here you see that I already have one installed. So once you have the door open, the clip part, the little tab, would slide into this notch right there. So I'm going to clip into the notch just like that. Kind of push it down so lock into place. Now this slot here when you close the door, it's gonna latch with this existing latch, that part of the refrigerator door. So gently push it in. You may have to bend the tab a little bit so it goes in. As you can see, it goes in and then it click against that little notch there. So that's it. That's how those blue tabs are used on the new Dometic refrigerator that allow the doors to prop open for about an inch and a half, so it doesn't build up mold inside the refrigerator when you park your RVs. Thanks. You have a good day. Bye.